The piece is called Citadel of the Stars. It's a large-scale sculpture made of digitally printed corrugated cardboard. The piece is life-size really because I wanted people to walk into the iCentre and just kind of see this big giant sculpture and think, what in the world is this? And make them think of the sort of the Chinese New Year, the year of the coup.
We were keen to encourage the artist to explore different elements of China and Chinese culture and to bring those together in a really creative way, to think what could express the Year of the Ox, but also to celebrate I Love You Day in China, which is the 20th of May, because 520 sounds like I love you in Chinese.
Not just artwork, it's more like a connection, like it's a combination of traditional elements and modern elements.
So it's really quite an imaginative way of trying to bring together the sort of fusion of Chinese and Scottish cultures.
I think people will love it. It's very interesting and also very unique. I think people, especially children, will love it.